Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hopefully you've been having a fantastic day. Today I've been working on an employee management system, both as a project and a test for my programming skills. So for those who don't know already, an employee management system is a software or set of softwares which allows managers of corporations and companies to store employee data, such as their details, salaries, performances, leaves, and that sort of stuff. And so I thought I would make a simplistic version of it first, and then expand on it as I go. So that's what I've been doing. And so here it is. After about an hour of brainstorming and key smashing, I was able to create a bare bones version of the employee management system. On the top, you've got the menu bar, which doesn't really have a purpose right now, but I'll add to it later. Under that, you've got the action bar, or the place where you've got all the buttons, like this one, which adds new employees to the list. All you gotta do is just give them an ID, a first name, a last name, and you're done. He'll be added to the list. Let's add a few more. Now suppose you want to edit this, like change the name. All you have to do is click the pen icon and then change to whatever you want to change it to. You can also remove people from the list by clicking this. You can also save the list. This just saves it in a temp file and can be reloaded by clicking this. If you want to save a single employee file, select the employee and then click this upload button and choose where to save it. And you can also, of course, load the employee back by clicking this download button and selecting the file. And there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this devlog. I'm going to continue working on this and I'll upload more updates as I go. For now, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and yeah, till next time. Peace.